Salutations, my steampunk nerfers. I am Spam, the steampunk nerfer. Today I've got a review for you on the very, very special Boba Fett Apollo from GameStop. I got this from a very special friend in Canada land. Thank you, Jensen. Really appreciate this. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get into this because, as all of you know, I'm a big fan of the Fett. Alright guys, so I'm not going to actually fire this blaster because we all know the performance that Rival gets, but I am going to go ahead and unbox it. So, as with all the other GameStop blasters like the Deadpool Chronoses, this is in its own display box. Unfortunately, this one's a little mucked up because it's spent some time in my trunk. Again, this is one of the GameStop rival blasters, and the Apollo, while unfortunately right now it's outclassed by the Hera and the Helios, this is just like all the other GameStop blasters that have come out, and it should be decoed on both sides. So, I'm really excited to bust into this. So, the actual box itself is quite aesthetic. And as we open it up, it looks so good here. Let me get a full shot of this for you, of the Fett himself. Again, unfortunately, a little bit of damage here, but what can you do? Okay, so this is a really super special blaster because, just like all the other GameStop ones, obviously it's decoed on both sides. The box artwork is immaculate here, but what really stands out is that you actually get the separate new face mask that's completely in Boba Fett colors. It's pretty darn awesome, not gonna lie. I'm super stoked to actually see if that fits on me. And this is something that will go on some of my equipment, obviously. The Mythosaur skull. I think it's absolutely incredible that they give you a full-fledged patch on this. And the other really cool thing to mention on this is that they actually give the half-and-half rival balls. Now, this is the first instance of the half-and-half rival actually making it to market when this came on the scene about 9 months ago, roughly. Sorry, I live in a fairly populated area, so people are bustling about all the time. But I'm not going to fire this because obviously the performance is what we expect out of a rival blaster. But the deco is just incredible on this bad boy. From the Mythosaur skull on the back to the actual weathering on the blaster itself, and it's mirrored on the other side as well. This is an incredible gift, and I really thank you, Jensen, for getting this for me. It comes with a 7-round magazine here, if I can get this out. There we are. And I don't normally roll Rival to the point where I actually use the magazines, but this is incredible. Just the design aspect of this blaster is phenomenal to me. It's very, very well executed. I like what it does for the rival line itself, but what I just can't get over is this mask and the patch and the box art. The box artwork is phenomenal. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a little YouTube magic with the mask on. And just because I'm a nerd, yeah, I put the hat back on. So, I really like this mask. It's actually quite comfortable. It actually has foam all the way around your eyes, so no stray darts can kind of come in here. I'm kind of moving this to the side here a little bit. I would say it would probably conform to your face a little bit more, and it's obviously not blocking a lot of sound given all the holes and the wide open areas here. Now, you could still get hit in the cheeks, yada yada yada, but the most important section is covered. This is, I think, selling for about $15 for a standard one of these masks on on store shelves, maybe up to 25, just depending on when you see this video. But given that it came with this particular blaster, the fact that it all matches, you could actually really design something as far as a costume for a cosplay or what have you that really screams Fett. I would totally do some body modifications on this blaster, maybe like a pump grip to actually get the rival line here to fire a little, or the Apollo here to fire a little bit more effectively, just because a pump grip is going to be easier to aim with than this overhandle. But it looks so cool, you don't necessarily want to destroy it. I gotta get this off. The thing is that this is just a really, really thoughtful and insightful gift. I really, really appreciate it. If you can find them anymore, they've pretty much been discontinued. But you can sometimes find these blasters out there through eBay or thrifting even. You might not get the box artwork, which the box artwork is amazing. I really, really enjoy it, and it really fits my aesthetic because I'm a fan of Fett. I know TK is also a fan of the Wars, but he is more Imperial than anything else. But yeah, I really love this patch. This is probably going to make it on one of my my battle shirts here, probably right underneath my Spam Squad patch whenever I put it on. And speaking of Spam Squad, the link to our Discord is in the description box down below. Please join, say hi. We're all friends there. We love to discuss things like 3D printing, of course, Nerf blasters and modding, and benefits of one blaster over another. If you'd like to, and also steampunk. We talk about steampunk in there and pretty much everything. If you'd like to join, please click on the link in the description box. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell notification button thingy to make sure you get all the updates. Sorry for the screaming kids in the cars and all that wonderful jazz, but what can you do? It's no longer the steampunk era. Stay steamy, my friends.